Hi, this is Sam, and this video is an attempt to document the process of documenting my processing. We do work online, and I'm seeking help to do administrative tasks. But what I found is I need people to document what they do in a manner that what you do speaks for itself. You don't need to explain what you did. Otherwise, it becomes a circular situation where I'm paying people and I have no clue what they did. And as the underlying reason of seeking help is so that they could help me and know what I did in order to make sure that my efforts are being properly billed, documented, accounted, and things that need to be done are actually getting done. What we do is we make events, post them on a calendar, and then we share those events so that we can share the same name. The name has to acquire the same meaning in the sense that when you see something, it has the same significance in a tokenized fashion as well as a symbolic fashion. Only recently did I recognize the distinction between the symbol and the token. So we've gone back to documenting and adopting namespace that points to those tokens and symbols and hopes to relate and link them to workflows. In this case, I'm looking at beginning workday, indicating that I'm here, reusing an event from a list that utilizes the most recent event, in the hope that we could add some improvements such that every person that's involved, if they're capable, they can add feedback or improvement. If they're not, they can piggyback on the improvements that we made so that we can eliminate so much detail, yet still achieve the goal of communicating what's relevant. My current view is the present week. I also have the prior week and the next week. This is going to be a workspace, and the workspaces are going to be grouped. Let's see. And we can name them for what their focus is. The first workspace of any person is going to be themselves. Another workspace is going to be named for, let's see, it's going to be named for communications. And we can use that for doing collaboration as well as processing communication events. And then another workspace is going to be for scheduling, and then a third workspace would be for the admin to be processing the technician's data. So in this case, I just wanted to cover the focus of the workspace view, present, prior, and next, centered on the present, documented the instance of the presence, and relating and linking so that I could have three levels: general, specific, and unique. The general purpose is to notify. The specific purpose of this event is recognition that I'm beginning work for the day as opposed to returning from a break, so that the search on this focus, the expectation is that there's only one event for whomever worked for each date. Then we could run metrics like counts to see how long somebody has worked, how many days, and at that point we could measure time and format and see if a person's progressing or if they're just making appearances. Thank you.